So I'm working on this 2015 Toyota Highlander and repaired the cable that the squirrel or some rodent had chewed up. And it's right there on the mass airflow and temperature sender. And this is what I attempted to solder the wires back just to like confirm the color code mostly. And but then I ordered a pigtail. This one came in from eBay. It was about $15, and it was a little more wire than I needed, so I just trimmed it back and I used some crimp-in ferrules. So I wanted to keep the factory wiring as long as possible, and plus I'd marked them with this color code. And so I wired them one by one and crimped them in. They're not soldered. You want to crimp something like that because if it flexes around a little bit, it can break the wire. But anyway, I cleared the codes, or attempted to anyway, and it got to where there were two codes I could not clear, and they were permanent codes, it said. And I had never seen that before, but got to looking into it, and it appears that permanent codes are not, you're not able to reset them with a scan tool like this. The only way you can reset them is to make the repair and then drive the vehicle. And they don't really say how long you have to drive it or how many cycles of starting or whatever it takes, but so now that's what I'm going to have to do, is just drive the vehicle a while and see if the codes go away after time. So we'll see how that works out.